Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be installing this bad boy right here. So this is from JDMuscle. Going to be installing it on the car. Obviously it goes like so, if you could see. We're going to be installing it though. So first, what we're going to want to do is take a flathead and take out all these clips. So there's about, I believe, 8 on here that you want to take. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9. So you want to take those off, and I'll be right back. Just pop them off like this. So you put the thing under, twist it a little bit, and it'll pop up. I'm going to do that to all 9 of them, like so. And don't mess up your paint like I'm doing for some of these, because I pushed too hard. It doesn't have to be that hard. This is it clips on the interior, so it's not, they shouldn't be full of dirt and debris, so you should be fine on them wanting to pop out pretty easily. You do that, push them in a little bit, and it pops out like that. So you want to just take them out like so. They come out pretty easily. So you want to push it in just a little bit and pull out that, like so, for all of them. That, got one more up here. Whoop. And don't lose them either, or try not to. Okay, so now that's off. So you want to take this, put it to the side where it doesn't blow off. Now what we're gonna have is 2 little 8mm, I believe, if I'm correct. There should be 2. It should not be this one, it should be over here. Yeah, so you got this one right here, this little black one, and you got that black one right there. I believe that's the only 2 that you have to take off if you have the stock, premium, and limited wing, which is this little baby one right here. This thing squeaks, and it's only a year old, year and a half. Crazy. Anyway, so you want to take this off if you have the premium. If you have the base model, it has no wing, so then you could just put this on without having to use the hardware. What you want to do next is take a extension with a socket on the end of it and a ratchet, and you want to stick it through this hole, take the bolt out, stick it through this hole, take the bolt out. Now the reason why I use this is you need a 6-inch extension, or maybe like a 4-inch. This one's too short, so but you can take it off with a 1/4 inch. It's not really that tight, but that's why I have it like this, if anybody was asking. So you just take it, spin out the 2 bolts, super simple. Take them out like that, and then you want to put this down. You want to yank pretty hard on this for this to come off. There we go, and it is officially off. So I think you might have to transfer some stuff over. I'm not too sure though, so we're gonna see if you do or not. It looks like you don't. You just need to do some double-sided tape on this. You should be good, and put the bolts through. So take this, close it out. You want to clean this too, obviously. So we're gonna do that real quick. Now with the powers of editing, it is clean. So now you want to take your new wing, test fit it on there, You can also make sure that you put the double-sided tape on it, you know. Okay, for some reason my GoPro wanted to die on me. So here's the new wing though. This is how I laid out the tape. Hopefully it's easy to tell. I put one long strip here, a short strip here, and a long strip on this side, all the way onto the other side, like so. So now you want to just pull these up. You can pull like that and then pull them off once you take it completely off to mount the wing, or you can take it all off right now, which is what I'm probably going to do when installing it on here, like so. The bolts won't work. The old bolts that you have, or they may work for you, but they didn't work for me. These aren't completely threaded out at all. I mean, literally at all. Some of the holes are, this hole I think, or one of them is way bigger than the actual OEM thread size. So yeah, and all the wings are the same. This wing, this high back, whatever crap, is all the same because it's all made by this place in Taiwan. So yeah.